Hey guys, welcome back or welcome. My name is Lavion. If this is your first time clicking on my channel, and I do enjoy posting motivational videos that will make you want to get up and clean however you may see fit in your own home. In today's video, I will be reviewing the YitaHome 5 dresser drawer, giving you guys a little cleaning, laundry, and organization motivation. So this is Callie's closet. As you can tell, it's a mess. She has toys everywhere. We try to declutter at least every 6 months, but this kid really plays with all of her toys. So she never wants to really get rid of anything. So I'll be putting the YitaHome dresser drawer to the test to see how good it holds up with keeping all of her toys in place. Getting started, I'm just throwing in a load of laundry. When it's laundry and cleaning day, before I do anything, I will throw in a load of laundry first, and then I'll just go along with all of my other chores just to keep everything in rotation, and I'm always keeping busy until I'm done.
You gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Said I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up?
Before I started to organize Callie's closet, I'll be putting together the drawers. They came really well packaged. Everything was wrapped up nice and tight. I usually will just have my husband put everything together for me, but this was super easy to assemble. They do provide pretty simple and easy directions to follow, and they also have tools for the assembly.
Like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless road. I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling high, like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying. Yeah, 'cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless road. Dreams.
The fabric storage organizer is great for the bedroom, hallways, or closets. I really love the sturdy feel of the frame and the wooden top. The fabric bins were pretty easy to pull in and out. I thought it would be a little taller, but it was perfect for Callie's closet. The drawers were also deep and sturdy to store all of her toys in without feeling like it was going to tip over. I would definitely recommend this storage organizer for anyone looking for a decent, affordable, and easy way to organize anything in your home. I'll have a link below provided for you guys in the description box. While waiting for a load to be done in the dryer, I'll just be dusting and tidying up a few areas around the house. When I'm doing my chores in the house, especially laundry, I feel like I have to freshen up the whole house as well. Laundry isn't one of my favorite chores, though to keep busy and to kind of not dread it as much, I will kind of make sure other chores around the house is done just to make it easier for me. Guys, let me know your laundry routine. Do you just get it all done without a problem? Do you tidy up while you're doing your laundry as well? Or do you just wait till everything is done and just fold while watching TV and just kind of make it, something to do while watching TV? Let me know below in the comments how you like to do your laundry routine. My roses from Rose Forever are just holding up so beautifully. They look just as good as the day I opened them up. I love that I can move them all around my home, and they just give each space that I move them to a really nice touch of decor. They complement any and all decor styles, so make sure you get yourself a bouquet from Rose Forever. It will be a good gift for yourself, or just in case you wanted to gift someone else special in your life. I will also have a discount code linked below in the description box for anyone that is interested.
I'm like like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. Hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you.
Putting away laundry, I feel like it's best to immediately put everything back in its place and just try to reorganize your drawers and closets for the upcoming weeks. I try to make sure Callie's closet is organized for her to be able to independently choose from her clothes. She'll be 7 soon, so instead of me like choosing her sets like I used to, I just make sure that all the shorts and pants are on one side, the shirts are together, and then the hoodies and jackets are together as well, so that way she'll be able to easily pick from whatever outfit she wants to wear. I didn't show it today, but if you want your towels and clothes to smell fresh a while longer, add in your fabric sheets into your drawers or your closets for a longer lasting fresh smell.
Wake up, you blew your final chance. Make up, I'm trying, but I cannot be mad at you. I don't know how you got me weak. I should leave this together.
When doing laundry, my way of separating is from darker dark clothes, lighter dark clothes, whites, towels separately, and sheets. And most importantly, making sure that all clothes are dried correctly. Try not to overload your washers and dryers. Not only will it cause damage to your machines, but your clothes aren't getting as clean. But much worse, your clothes won't really have that clean smell. They'll still smell soiled if you overload or don't dry them all the way.
I'm telling you, I think we should slow it down. Cold out when you turn your back on me. Feels like we've reached the point.
Towels will be my last load, and guys, be mindful to empty out those dryer vents and try to give your laundry room a really nice wipe down from all the spilled detergents that might have spilled when you were doing your laundry.
You told me they got me moving forward, and all the times that we disagree.
So as this video comes to an end, I hope that you have enjoyed watching today, but most importantly, I hope that you were able to find some motivation to organize, do some laundry, or do some quick tidying up around your home wherever you may see fit. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you are still watching and you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also click on that bell notification so you guys will be notified each and every time your girl posts her next upload. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.